bébé.
Hi, today we little explore outside because it's nice the weather, and then also spend together with my family. Today I want to share to you our experience here in the nature with my family. This is our fire. We having a barbecue or braai here in the bush. Sun's enjoying playing. My husband and my baby. Say hi. Say hi. Show you all the nature is nice. It's sunny day today. There. And all the trees now is starting to blooming because winter is gonna get finished soon. It's gonna get over. Yes, all the trees now is still dry because it's no more rain yet, so the trees is all dry. And then today is very quiet here because it's not that much people here in the nature. It's Sunday today. So that's all, guys. I share with you some my experience today with my family. See ya and keep well.